Tech is proud to offer Gaither's new next-generation Bead bazookas. Improved controls and new valve technology allow these bazookas to pack twice the bead sealing power in half the size. These compact bazookas are easier to handle, and the space-saving designs are perfect for mobile installers where space on your service truck is limited. Gaither's new three-way control cluster moves the intake valve, pressure gauge, and safety valve to one convenient and comfortable location. The improved exhaust accelerates the release of air for a powerful blast with less recoil. And Gaither's improved 2-inch RAR valve not only releases twice as much air, it's fully serviceable and replaceable. Assembly couldn't be easier. Simply attach the barrel to the tank and you're ready to blast. Tech offers 3 size bazookas. The 3-liter, which is ideal for ATV, motorcycles, car, and light commercial truck. The 6-liter, which is perfect for motorcycle, car, light, and heavy commercial truck. And the 10-liter, which is designed for car, light truck, heavy commercial truck, and all the way up to large ag tires. For more information on Gaither's next-generation Bead bazookas, ask your local Tech distributor or visit techtireRepairs.com.